What's up? So, this was originally going to be a different type of video, but that was an absolutely horrible and complete fail. So I'm doing plan B. I'm gonna try and go as fast as I can because my camera is dying. I already did my foundation. I'm literally just gonna show you guys how to do the eye look. This look is inspired by Kylie Jenner. Her recent post on Instagram with just basically a simple classic eye with a pop of color in the inner corner, which was yellow. I'm just priming my lens. So I'm gonna just basically put like a neutral shade all over the lid. So in the picture, it didn't look like she had much in the crease. It was basically just like, again, a neutral shade all over the lid. Okay, for the outer corner, I'm gonna take my Maroon Mayhem B Bella Pro palette. Looks like this. I love this palette. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's like a camel shade. It's a little darker than the lid shade we just popped on. And I'm just gonna work that in the outer corner. I'm gonna add, actually, hello. Let's do a little bit of this shade right here. This one. Just to create a little bit more definition. Very light. Some light work, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be using NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. Very good base for highlighting or for highlighter shades. I have this very yellow eyeshadow by NYX. It is in the shade STFU. I'm going to take a little detailer brush and I'm going to start packing that onto that white shade. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it, but it looks gorgeous. What I like to do is I like to first draw a line from the outer portion of my eye. And I like to extend it as far as I want. And I like to take it from right here and just drag it. Drag it. Wow, that took longer than expected, but that's the way. I'm gonna do a half liner today. All right, we live. We got our lashes on. Let's finish this. Let's finish this look. Okay, so I already finished the eyes. I just basically added the. Oh my god. I added the shade. I'm trying not to move my face because I don't want it to crease. I added the shade that I put in my crease on the lower lash line. It didn't look like she had much on the lower lash line, but I wanted to pop something on there because it was looking a little bare, you know what I'm saying? In the picture, she's wearing a very pink blush. So I'm gonna take this pink blush right here and I'm gonna go to town with this pink blush, okay? So I need to remember to put the mirror down because I always cover myself. Add a little bit on bridge of my nose.
Dropping the top of my car, ay. I cannot love her, no bitch, and she fucking the click, man, she playing her part, yeah, damn, ay. Life is a bitch, you all that bitch, you dumb as fuck.
Okay, my camera died, but I'm gonna tell you guys what I did when the camera was dead. I lined my lips with my favorite lip liner, which is the Cara Nude Truffle lip liner. It's my favorite one. I filled in the rest of the lips with another Cara lip liner in the shade Natural. Beautiful. I wanted to lighten the color a little bit more, so I added this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cairo on top, and it just set the whole thing off, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, I think that's pretty much it for me. I am loving the look. Super easy, quick. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will try and upload as much as I can, but you know, I always say that. Look at my busted ass nails. Horrible. Horrible. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video.
Ice water turn Atlantic, night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island for them. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You can get the biggest Chanel like in the store if you want it. I gave them the jewel, they sucked it up. I got them.